So here, N is 44. P is the 0.152. The biggest mistake I see is people forget to change that into a decimal, which really throws everything way off. And then here, Q must be what? 848. I like it. Gotta give it to you here. This is just a little example, just to make sure you can do this in your calculator correctly. Right? So here, 44 people, choose 7 of them to do something. So I want 7 successes, which means I have how many failures? 37 failures. And what do you get for that? So here's what it looks like. 44, choose 7. Hit the up arrow to come up out of there if you have the newer calculator. Times, where'd it go? 0.152 to the 7th. Hit the over arrow times 0.848 to the 37. You got 1611. Or 16.1%. How are we going to write? I like it. The problem is that none of them smoke. What's always true about this power and this power? They have to add to be 44. They have to add to be the total because you're splitting them into 2 groups. So here I have 44 choose none of them. So I have no successes. All of them are failures, which, to me is success in this case. But still, it's not what we're looking for. We're looking for healthy people. Sorry, you smoke, you're like, shut up. All right. So when you plug all our stuff in there, the funny thing is, 44 choose 0. How many ways is there to choose nobody from 44 people? One way, choose nobody. And so that's going to be 1, but just to put it on there, 44 choose nobody times, and what's 0.152 to the 0? 1. So notice how everything I've written so far is just 1. So you really, really just have to put in there 0.848 to the 44. Now this is the part I told you to get ready for. That means times 10 to the negative 4. You move that decimal 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's always 1 less 0 in front. Now this would so suck if you try to do this directly, because what's at least 1 mean? You'd have to do this formula with the 1 in it, plus this formula with a 2 in it, plus this formula with a 3 in it, all the way up to flipping 44. What's the opposite of at least 1? None. How many ways is there to do this? 1. And I already did. Sweet, right? So if the opposite probability involves less work, oh, hell yeah, I'm going to do that shit, right? So this will be 1 minus 0.0007, which is 0.9993. Okay, I can't remember, this is actual data, but it's from like 3 years ago, I think, by now. I just haven't gone and updated it. So this was true that there's a 99.92% chance for any group of 44 San Diegans that at least one of them smokes. That's a true statement. Okay. Now here, let me see, well, how much time we got? Like none. Okay, which is fine. I think we got to do this stuff next time. Because we haven't even talked about where this formula came from yet. But that is the nicest formula yet for the means. Yeah. So binomial means and standard deviations are beautiful. No tables or anything. Alright, don't forget your IDs, please, dear God. Oh, yeah. Oh, you mean for the test? The test correction is right. Do the day of the next test. But this correction is I'll just start. Otherwise, Please don't forget your keys or your ID. Ah.
So the same thing. Yeah.